Hello, my name is Betty Okalander. I'm from McGrath Estate Agents in Epping, and I'd like to welcome you to this amazing family home. As you step inside, the generous enclosed foyer separates the main house, offering possibilities such as a home office or in-law accommodation. Ideally laid out with 3 generous bedrooms upstairs, the master bed has sweeping bush views over Lane Cove National Park, a his and hers wardrobe and an ensuite. There is also a 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom on the ground floor, and all bedrooms have built-in robes. The living and dining areas are divided into formal and casual zones. The formal areas open to a small courtyard with a fish pond. The gourmet kitchen includes granite benches and a gas cooktop, and the adjoining meals and family room with brush box timber floors open out to a covered entertaining area with full visibility of the beautifully landscaped gardens. The double garage has auto entry and rear access to the side garden. Other extras include abundant storage, a rainwater tank, security screens, and a fully fenced secure rear garden. It is perfectly positioned only 750 metres to North Epping Public School, 450 metres to village shops and 130 metres to government buses to Epping Station or Macquarie University. If you prefer some exercise, it is a level walk to the station. Local teens attend Cheltenham Girls, Epping Boys and Arden Senior School. Apart from the obvious, the standout of this home has to be this north-facing rear garden and the tree views over Lane Cove National Park. Where else can you have such a modern, low-maintenance home with such convenience? Thank you for watching. As you can see, it is a really special home. I look forward to seeing you at one of our open homes.